Hi guys, welcome back with another video on Microsoft Excel. In today's video we'll discuss how to convert data from text to columns. Many a time we download data from certain tables, or we import data from text files or CSV, and all the data is coming in one single column. Like in the example you can see here, we have got everything in one column here. So this is our employee data. So first column is employee ID, and then next one is first name, last name, age and gender. So what I want to do with this data is I want to convert into columns, so that my first column is employee ID, second column should be first name, and so on. So for that you need to select data and then go to data tab, and here you have option text to column. Once you click there, so it gives you option with delimited and fixed width. So first I'll show you with the fixed width, and then I'll show you delimited. So I've selected fixed width. I'll click next. So automatically it will suggest you can move these arrows. So if you want to move these arrows, so at the moment I can see it as rightly select place the arrow for the first column, second one, third one, and except header, everything is looking fine. So what I'll do, I'll adjust header later on. So I'll click next. So in the next view you can see which data type I want to adopt. If I want to keep it general for all, you can press shift and select all the columns and finish, and all of your column will be general formatted. If you want to keep it text, or if you have date or number, so you can change which format you want, or you can use advanced to use any other cell formatting if you want. So I want to leave this one as general and press finish, and you can see I've got my first column is my ID, and I can adjust it a little bit. I've got my first name, last name, and you can see age and gender are slightly out. So what I'll do, I will update age here. So this is how you can update your data from one column to multiple columns, so using this option text to column. Now to show you the example where instead of using fixed length, sometime the data is not structured in the way where this file was. So I'll show you another example. Here everything is there are no spaces, and if I try to use fixed length, let's try that one. So if I go with fixed length, you see there is no suggestion because Excel can't allocate a separator here. So if I try this one, you will see that in some cases, because in the first one it is fine, but the second one you can see I'll be converting first name and last name for this Patrick Johnson, right? But in this case Jeff Lee is going to be everything in one column, and then Kathy Baker is also going to be half, surname will be half in each. So a fixed line solution is not going to work. So what I'll do, I'll go back, I'll go to delimited, and I can see my columns, my data is delimited by semicolon. So next, and you get the option how you want to split the data. So in this case I'm going to select semicolons, and you can see all semicolons are replaced with the column placement. And then if I go to next, likewise if you had comma, space or tab, so you can use, or anything else. Sometimes you download the data from certain databases and the data is in pipe format. So for you, in that case you will select other, and you'll type your pipe delimited here, and then system will automatically convert that data. So our data is semicolon, so I'll proceed with that. So I'll click next, again which formatting I want, and this time I will select all of my columns, and I'll change to text, and I'll click finish. So you can see it has converted, and everything is, if I go to home, and you can see my cell formatting everywhere is text, because I selected this formatting to be when I convert the data. So that's it for today. This is how you can convert data. If you have any question, please feel free to leave the comment in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.